In today's episode, we're trying to finish organizing in the kitchen. So if you're interested in seeing what's going on, you know what to do. Stick around. Hello everyone, this is Stephanie of CreativelyMsMe, decorating on a budget. And yes, today we're back in the kitchen. Yes, I'm still trying to get it organized. I've done the pots and pans. I got them pretty much where I want them and the small appliances. So now I'm working on nothing else but the drawers. Yeah, here is, this is definitely a junk drawer. But my issue is not only do I have one, right now I have two. So my job is to get all this out of this drawer here and make this drawer where I put my dish towels in, fold them, roll them, however, and put them in here. So I'll have room under that cabinet for any other bowls or whatever that I have under there. But I want to make this where I put the cup towels and dish towels and all that. So it's going to be a job trying to get them all fit in here. And then over here in this drawer, some of this stuff needs to be thrown away or put somewhere else, like in the garage or something. I don't know. But I need to clean this drawer out because this is right here under my coffee station. And what I'm seeing is my husband likes the K-pods that I put in the Keurig. So I might have to start stocking up on the K-pods and put them here in this drawer for, hot cocoa, different teas I like. Because I have a tea drawer here, but I don't have the beans I'm going to put in here yet. So I would like to have it all in one. So if I could get a tea holder over here and a long K-pod here, that would be great. And then this drawer, which is a junk drawer, will no longer be a junk drawer. I could put more of my decorative tiles in here to keep them from being under the cabinet and have them up above. That way, I don't know. Y'all. Tell me what you think down below. I know I want to keep this tea in K-pods, this one. But my thing is this drawer. I don't know if I want to put all my decorative cup towels and things in here. And people come and they see it need a towel. They open the drawer and pull out what I don't want pulled out. And the ones that are out are the ones that I want to use. So I'm not sure what I'm going to do with this drawer quite yet. I'm not sure. But that'll be one of the drawers we attack today along with this one. I do want this one cleaned out, but I'm not sure what I'm going to put here yet. I'm still bouncing between putting the towels in here. But let me know what you think I should use these two drawers for. But they definitely are going to be cleaned out today. Okay. Now I showed you guys earlier that I have two junk drawers. So I did order the organizers. From Amazon. So we're going to see what we can do with these in this drawer. Yeah, this is my junk drawer. Yeah. I tried to organize it with what I had. See, it's not working. I need to go through this, use my new containers, and try to make it look like someone in this house has sense. So let's start taking things out that don't belong. this is going to work. If not, we'll just be changing it. That's a lot better than it was. I can see what's in here. I took a lot of stuff out that didn't belong in here. I'm thinking about getting rid of these, some of these, I don't know. But I'm liking the look of it. I'm pleased. Now one drawer down, the other drawer to come. That will be in the next video. So if you want to see how it turns out, just keep watching. And I'll catch you on the next episode. If you want to see more, click the video here or the link below and you'll be blessed.